Hello everyone, this is Priyanka Srivastava, PGT Biology, Kendriya Vidyalaya CRP of Durgapur. Today my topic is Phylum Arthropoda, Animal Biology, Class 11, Chapter 4, NCERT book. So firstly we will discuss why we call it an arthropoda. Ortho means jointed and poda means legs. Here you can see its legs are jointed. So we call it a jointed legs, and so that it have got its name arthropoda. Now the general features, it is triploblastic, means having 3 germinal layer. Its symmetry is bilateral symmetrical, where you can see that it can be cut into 2 equal halves by only one plane passing through its center. Next one is that it is having a true coelom, so it's a coelomate. Next one, the general features is that its body is divided into the 3 parts: head, thorax and abdomen. But in crustaceans like prawns, the head region and the thorax region is combined, and this is called as cephalothorax. Now you can see that if we see the morphology, the body is covered with a hard skeleton, exoskeleton, which is called as chitin. And there is so many sensory organ present on it. The 2 structures or a 1 pair structure present on its head, which is called as antenna. And you can see that its eye is either simple or compound eye. If we zoom the compound eye, you can found so many small pieces in it, which shows that its eye is made up of so many small pieces, which are called as ommentidium, and its eye is compound eye. Its eye is compound eye, and it is made up of so many parts, which are called as ommentidium. Okay, and it is having 3 pairs of legs. Now about the anatomy, it is having the complete digestive system, means from mouth to anus. Now the next one is the circulatory system. It is having an open type of circulatory system. It means all the body organs are dipped in a cavity, which is called as hemocoel, and the blood is filled in it, and all the organs are dipped in it. Now the next one is the excretory organ. The excretory organ present in it is Malpighian tubule, and Malpighian tubule is present at the juncture of midgut and the hindgut in the alimentary canal. Now the next one is the respiratory system. Respiratory system, there are so many types of organ present in it for the respiration. The main one is the tracheal system. As you have already studied in class 10, that in our tracheal system there are 10 pairs of holes, which are called as spiracles, which allow the entry of air into the body. The next one is the book lungs and the lungs. Now the nervous system, there is a neuroglia, and it also have the 2 mid-ventral nerve cord. It is having 2 mid-ventral nerve cord, and there are 2 sensory organ. One is the antenna, the second one is a compound eye, and the another one is present, which is called as statocyst. And what is the economic importance of this group is very known for all of us, because how they are important, how they are harmful to us, this is very big to know. The first one, the economic importance, how they are useful to us. So here you can see this is a honey bee. So from honey we get the honey and the wax, and there is another insect, which is called as laccifer, which provide us lac, which is used to make the bangles. Now the next one is the Bombyx silkworm, Bombyx mori, which is from which we get the silk, which is a very good, nice fabric to use. Now the harmful effect. So they also cause the many diseases, and they are the carrier of many diseases like Anopheles, which cause malaria, Aedes, which cause chikungunya and dengue, and the Culex, which cause the filaria. Filaria means elephantiasis, hathi paw. And there is another one which is called as horseshoe crab or the limulus, which is a living fossils. Living fossils means the other organism of these groups are already extinct, but it is nowadays it is present on earth, and it is very old one. So horseshoe crab, which is also called limulus, it is a good example of the living fossils. Now the next one is the gregarious pest. Yes, you all know that locust, tiddy dull. This cause very much harm to our crops. So in this way, sometimes they are useful to us, sometimes harmful to us. So this is about the phylum Arthropoda. Okay, bye, and thanks for watching this video.